Hi, this is Dr. Jaitly, and I'm here to teach you the basics and fundamentals of cardiology, which is the study of the heart. Today we are going to talk about the inside structures of the heart and have you familiarized with the various names given to these structures within the heart. Remember, the heart pumps blood, and the blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the rest of the body. That's the function of the heart. Why do we need oxygen and nutrients? Because we need to carry out our normal functions. And what are the normal functions we carry out as humans? Walking, running, skipping, studying, reading, sleeping, working, etc., etc. So therefore, in order to carry out those functions, the heart has to continuously pump day in and day out throughout your life. Having understood that, let's go to the diagram. This is a diagram of the heart, and the heart has 4 rooms called chambers. There are 2 chambers on the top and 2 larger chambers at the bottom. Just like any other room in the house, it's connected through a door, one room to the other. Similarly here, we have 2 rooms. They're connecting to 2 bottom rooms, 2 bottom chambers through these doors. And these doors are called valves. Right atrium, RA, is connecting to RV through a 3-leaflet valve or door. It's called tricuspid valve. Left atrium is connecting through a bicuspid or 2-leaflet valve to the left ventricle. It's called mitral valve. Tricuspid valve, mitral valve. TV, MV. What are vessels? Vessels are either bringing blood to the heart or taking blood away from the heart. So they are basically veins bringing blood to the heart and arteries taking blood away from the heart. Veins on the right side, which are pouring into the right atrium, are superior vena cava from the upper half of the body and inferior vena cava into the right atrium from the lower half of the body. Veins bringing blood from the lungs to the left atrium, they are 4 in number, 2 from each lung, and they are called pulmonary veins because they are bringing blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Blood goes from right atrium to right ventricle and left atrium to left ventricle as the various chambers contract. When the blood leaves the right ventricle, it goes via the pulmonary artery, or because it's going to the lung, therefore it's called pulmonary artery. The blood leaving from left ventricle is going via the aorta or to the rest of the body, and it's called the aorta. There is a valve here in the pulmonary artery called the pulmonary valve. There is a valve here in the aorta called the aortic valve. So in a nutshell, there are 4 rooms or 4 chambers, there are 4 doors or 4 valves, and there are 4 sets of vessels, veins on the top, and arteries originating from the bottom chambers, from the bottom ventricles. So I tried to make it very simple in this section, folks. I know it's a little complicated structure, but the very fact that the take-home message obviously is there are 4 rooms, 4 chambers, 4 valves, and 4 sets of vessels within the heart, and they all have these names as pointed out. More details later in the subsequent sections as we move forward. Once again, I thank you for your attention and hope you enjoyed it. See you again. Bye.